Is it tough keeping up with laundry? Do you have to worry about skin allergies? Do you want the muscle of a powerful machine, but would rather do it without the noise? Powerful and quiet, the Bosch Series 4 compact washer comes with a range of laundry care features that makes it the perfect fit for your household care needs.
Both my husband and my daughter have eczema, so this AllergyPlus feature on my washer has been really helpful. In the past, we had to keep trying different detergent brands. But ever since I got this washer, they don't experience any skin irritation from washed clothes. I have the option to use extra rinse cycles to get rid of detergent residue and allergens that may irritate the skin. So it really makes a difference to laundry care for my family, and I definitely recommend it for households with young children or people with sensitive skin.
I don't have time to bother with hand washing clothes. I really like that I can trust my washer to handle even delicate clothes. The washer drum has this unique wave design, with a steep side that provides a gentle scrubbing effect to remove dirt and a flat side which smoothly cleans the fabrics. This combination simulates hand washing, which means I get the best of both worlds. The clothes get thoroughly washed without damaging delicate fabrics. This is useful because some clothes are quite expensive or more dear to me.
One of my favorite things about this washer is the Speed Perfect feature. It can wash my clothes in less than half the time it usually takes, which is great when I'm in a hurry, which I always seem to be. I mean, I work long hours and I still have to take care of the family, so there's not a lot of time to spend on laundry. So when dirty clothes start piling up, I'm happy that I can speed up the cycle and cover more loads in a day without compromising the wash results.
I have little ones at home, so you can imagine the chaos and endless chores I go through daily. I sometimes only get to catch up on laundry at night, so I'm thankful to have a washer that is super quiet. I can leave it running without disturbing the kids, and I really appreciate the peace and quiet around the house as I'm winding down the day. I'm sure a lot of parents with small children can relate to what I'm saying. Quiet evenings are completely priceless.
Sometimes I start the laundry, then my son comes home and says, "Mommy, can you wash my soccer gear? I got a game this afternoon." This is where the reload function comes in really handy. I can interrupt the cycle, put in his dirty clothes, activate reload, and continue the wash. It's helpful when you have forgetful kids who have a knack for jumping in with the random dirty sock or underwear after you've just started the washer.
The Bosch Series 4 compact washer gives you flexibility to cope with a range of different laundry needs, including special garment care for allergy sufferers. Leave your laundry care in the best hands and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.